Yellowtec Mica range offers you a great amount of options to place your microphones. Every arm is suitable for mics with up to 2 kg. There are 3 different sizes of standard microphone arms, which hold the mic in a standard position coming from above your face. The maximum range of these Mica mic arms is 53.5 up to 107.5 cm, depending on the size you choose. You can find all the dimensions on our website. As an alternative to the standard Mica microphone arms, we developed the so-called Mica Mic Arm TV. The TV arm has a maximum range of 67 cm. What is so special about the TV arm is that the mic comes from underneath the face of the speaker. It can be placed completely below the camera's field of view. Faces will be fully visible for your audience and for your interview partner. That makes it the perfect solution for visual radio, YouTube productions, TV and basically every location where video is recorded. All Mica mic arms are available in 2 different colors, which are aluminum and black. In addition, every Mica mic arm, except from the XS size, is available in 2 versions, with or without on-air indicator. The dual-color on-air indicator provides the same technology as the Yellowtec slid signaling device. Placed directly on top of the microphone mount, the indicator gets you the perfect signal to show if your mic is on air or not. You get a 360-degree white and red LED signal. There are various options to add Mica mic arms to your individual setup. Simply choose between our range of 14 different mic arms and a lot of different adapters and other combinations. Each one of them suits best for certain requirements. Learn more about how to mount your Mica mic arm in a separate video.